This is called the dried fruit factory, quality control. In the factory, men in reflective boots scrub stains from the aster blue floor, lean and twist their bodies to clean underneath lines once linked by uniforms and hairnets. I watch, water, bleach clean, raisin tint, iridescent spray. Plum-sized rats sneak through holes in the pipe-busy ceiling, feed on lost fruits. Poisonous vapors pull their oiled bellies from the factory bins. Undocumented workers sweat, touch pesticide-gassed fruits through food-safe gloves, inhale I don't know how many parts per million of methyl bromide. Pesticides hold in raisin skin still dusted, milky with natural yeast. 15 flatbeds full of families from Veracruz and Mazatlan assigned to the plant by an employment agency. Pyramids of dried fruit divided in boxes by the ounce or pound. Strawberries from China, papaya from Thailand, mangoes from Vietnam, cut, combined, sold as fruit packed in California.